Okay, this is the scale of the solar system assessment choice. So this one is a little bit more hands-on than the graphing one, but I think those who do this will really enjoy it, or absolutely despise me for making them use a compass. But we'll see. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to make sure that we have the correct page in front of us. Remember, you need scale of the solar system. Okay, and then this is our model. So the materials that you're going to need for this, you will need a metric ruler. Essentially, you just need one that has centimeters on it. You will need sheets of unlined paper, so that would just be printer paper. Okay, blank printer paper. And a half sheet of unlined printer paper. You take a full piece, you fold it in half. There you go. Okay. A sheet of paper with a scale model of a sun. Now, it's not a scale model, but it's cute. If you just flip it over, it's a sun. Okay. A drawing compass. One of these. Not chopsticks, it's a drawing compass. And finally, tape. So, let's read through our procedures before we get started on anything. So number 1, tape the unlined paper, the full sheet and the half sheet, to the end of the sheet with the scale model of the sun. The sun must be at the left end after you have taped them together. See the illustration below. So this is what I have already provided. Okay, these two you need to get from your paper stations. Okay. You'll want to make sure that your sun is over here on the far left side and that the blank paper goes out to the right of it. Okay, so that. Then use the ruler to draw a line from the front of the sun through the center of the sheet of paper to a distance of 60 centimeters from the sun. See the illustration below. So again, that is this. You're drawing this line. Now, if you look at a metric ruler, you will see that it only goes to 30 or 35, depending on, or like 30 and a half. Okay? What do? I would say stop your line at 30. Bring this back to the beginning. Line up this line, not the edge. Line up this line with the 30, and then draw another line to 30. 30 plus 30 is 60. Whew, who knew? So you are going to do that. Okay? Moving down to number 3, calculate a scale distance from the sun for each planet in the table under data and observations. Use the scale 1 centimeter equals 100 million kilometers. Round your answers to the nearest tenth or 0.1. This table can be found on the back page. Number 4, record the scale distance on the table under data and observation. So again, you're going to go through all the work of converting, and you're just going to fill in this sheet right here. Okay? For each planet, make a dot on your line you drew in step 2, so that's this line, at the appropriate scale distance from the sun. Label each dot with the appropriate planet name. Calculate a scale diameter for each planet in the table. Use a scale of 1 centimeter equals 10,000 kilometers, and then round your answer to the nearest tenth. So that is saying using this data. Now you're going to do diameter. Okay. Record the scale diameter on the table under data observations. On the back of your sheet you taped together in step 1, draw a scale model of each planet using a compass for all but the smallest circle. When you use a compass, you must set your width equal to half of the diameter, or the radius. That's why on here I have provided you not only the diameter, but also the radius. What you are going to do is you're going to take your diameter and divide it by 2 to equal your radius. Label the scale model planets, and then answer the questions using data and observation. So, let's start making it.